Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation minus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have 4 answers: A is 12, B is 11, C is 18 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. So, arithmetic expression, if you contains like any bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket in your expression, you have to find out multiplication. You have to find out the power of any number. If your expression contains any number has power, so you have to solve that part first. Step number 3 is basically you have to see division and multiplication. What will you do? You go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition or subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move over to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here 3 brackets. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, you have to solve the bracket. So first of all, we will solve each bracket one by one. So this is the first bracket, which is 26 minus 16. So the this will be equal to 10. Divided by this, we will write as it is. And here I will clear this one. Now we have another, and here we will give the reference 26 minus 16 equals to 10. Now move forward to solve the second bracket. Now we will write this part as it is because we will solve second bracket. This bracket contains the exponent part and minus 5. So first of all, we have to solve this one inside the bracket because we cannot solve this bracket right now. So 4 raised to power 2 is means that 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 16 minus 5. We will write as it is. Okay. Now move forward to solve this bracket, and we will write this one as it is. And this is 16 minus 5 equals to 11. And here we will write 16 minus 5, 11. Now move forward left to right in our expression. This one we will solve now. So now 10 divided by 10 equals to 1. Multiply by 11, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 10 divided by 10 equals to 1. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other, which is 11. 1 multiplied by 11, you can say 11. So the answer of the given expression is 11. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.